mess up my flow.
Oh, looks like you're not on net
I could have caught it if I
after
was standing over there.
Please. Skipper? You're making it. I'm really gonna get mad in a
So
minute.
after this, that's the last shot?
No, so you have an infant.
Oh, good.
Aww.
Skipper? Let's make your shot already.
I might have to hold her and shoot at the same time.
No,
Or maybe she wants to try to shoot.
oh, you're gonna risk it, guys?
That was freezies or whatever you said.
Freebie?
I'm gonna risk it.
Come on, yeah.
If you even catch it. I'm gonna take the ball away from you now.
This is the last shot.
Yeah, well, you don't get the ball anymore.
Okay, Mama.
Okay, you get one-handed throwing.
Yeah.
Wait, no, you have
Peekaboo! Oh, that hurts my belly.
This isn't fair,
You only
because
get
you are a
one
late
hand.
bird.
You
Skipper.
only get one hand too.
Hey, Skipper.
One hand, and you're
One.
bad.
Ooh, Skip. Not doing so well.
No, I used to go in one hand.
Oh, you gotta do
Is
it.
that
I
your
think I'll
ready?
hold it.
Huh?
I think I'll stop.
Okay, good. Now my turn.
No! This doesn't count. No!
I lost.
Are we done?